Hello students, my name is Akanksha Singh and I'm going to teach you the basic concepts of circle. So students, what is circle? I'm sure you all know what shape looks like a circle. For example, you can see the picture of a coin, that's the shape of circle. But students, do you know the mathematical definition of circle? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at the fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called circle. Now students, imagine this white region is our plane and this is our fixed point. From this fixed point, this is the fixed distance, and now these are the collection of points which forms a circle. For more precise, we can say circle is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that it is at the fixed distance from a fixed point. Now students, what is locus of a point? Locus of a point is nothing but the path traveled by the point. Now imagine students, if I leave a point freely in the plane from the fixed point at a fixed distance, then the path covered by that point is called circle. Now we are going to understand some basic terminologies used in a circle. We will go through them one by one. The term which we are going to understand is center. A fixed point or a midpoint of a circle is called center of the circle. In this figure, O is the center. Now what is radius? A fixed distance from a fixed point is called radius of a circle. In this figure, O is the center and OA is our radius. We can draw infinite number of radii in a circle. Now move further. What is a chord of a circle? It is a line segment joining two points on the circle. If we have P and Q points on the circle, then PQ is our chord. We can draw infinite number of chords in a circle. Now students, can you draw a chord passing through the center of a circle? Yes, you can draw a chord passing through the center of a circle. But the name of that chord is diameter. A chord passing through the center of a circle is known as diameter. The diameter is the longest chord as well. Now look at this picture. In this figure, O is the center, AO and OB are radii and AB is a diameter. The length of AO and OB are 3 centimeters. Then what is the length of AB? It is nothing but the addition of 2 radii. That would be 6 centimeter. From this, we can conclude that diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. Now, what is circumference? It is nothing but a perimeter of a circle. If we want to measure the length of a circle, can we measure it by a scale? No. So that's why we need a circumference. Now I'm going to introduce a mathematical constant pi. The pi is nothing but the ratio of circumference to the diameter. We can write pi is equals to C upon D. Because we already know that diameter is 2 times of radius, hence we can write 2r in place of dr. Now from here we get a formula of circumference that is called 2 pi r, where the value of pi is 3.14 or in fraction it is 7 upon 22. Now move further. Now what is arc of a circle? Arc of a circle is nothing but a part of a circumference. In this figure you can see PQ and PQR are two parts, where PQ is a minor one and PQR is a major one. That's why we call PQ is a minor arc and PQR is a major arc. We denote arc with this symbol. Now, if AB is a diameter of a circle, AB is a diameter of circle and AB is also an arc of a circle, then this arc is neither minor nor major. Then what this shape is called? This shape is called semicircle. Semicircle is nothing but the half of circle. Now, what is segment and what is sector? Segment, it is a region enclosed by chord and the corresponding arc. If we have a chord AB and the corresponding arc which is a minor arc AB, then this segment is called minor segment. Similarly, we have a chord AB and this arc is major arc, then this whole segment is called major segment. Now what is sector? It is a region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. If we have two radii, that is OA and OB, the corresponding arc which is AB a minor one, then this whole sector is called minor sector. And similarly, we have two radii AB and OB, then the major arc is called major sector. We can take an example of pizza slice. We always have a pizza in sector form. Now, what is secant and tangent? Secant, it is an extension of a chord in a circle. If we extend a chord, then that is called secant. Now, what is tangent? It is a straight line, touches the circle at only one point. Now, in this figure, you can see that PT is a straight line which is only touching a circle at P. This is a tangent of a circle. Now, what is interior and exterior of a circle? When we draw a circle in a plane, then it always divides the plane in three parts. When we draw points inside the circle, that is called interior points of the circle. When we draw points outside of the circle, that is called exterior of the circle. But when we draw points on the circle, or we can say on the boundary of the circle, then we call points on the circle. Now, what is concentric of circle? This is the last topic for today's class. Circles having same center but different radii are known as concentric circle. In this figure, we have three circles having the center O but having different radius. For circle 1, the radius is R1. For circle 2, the radius is R2. And for circle 3, the radius is R3. So these are known as concentric circle. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.